This episode is sponsored by Rachael Ray Nutrish Natural Food for Cats. Hi guys, I'm Katie Wayne and this is Animalist News. Picture this. Hordes of meat-eating bugs invading your home! No, it's not a horror movie. It's actually happening in the eastern United States and it is the worst thing ever. According to the journal Peer J, a carnivorous insect called the greenhouse camel cricket is making its home inside your home. These things are creepy. They will literally eat just about anything, including other camel crickets. And I have never been more pleased to live in California. These creepy crawlies are native to Asia. However, the first sighting of them in the United States was over 100 years ago. Up until recently, scientists thought that camel crickets only lived in commercial greenhouses. However, researchers from North Carolina University have discovered otherwise. According to their data, this specific camel cricket has become more common than other species native to the United States. I guess the only good news is that camel crickets don't bite or pose any threat to humans. In fact, they supposedly help us by eating any dead stuff in our garages or basements, but God, why would God be so creepy for? If you don't want to fall victim to the insect invasion, you can try these simple tips. First of all, keep moisture out of your house. Camel crickets love small, damp places. And secondly, seal up any cracks you might have on the inside of your house, because once they get in, they're hard to get out. What's the scariest thing you've ever found in your house? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. Also, please be sure to check out these other videos right here.
Oh, hey Katie, what's going on, buddy?
Hey, Amber, I'm just filming a video about camel crickets.
Oh, well, let me ask you something. Is a camel cricket a bug or an insect?
I don't know, Amber, I'm pretty sure it's the same thing.
Well, I guess you'll have to find out in tomorrow's episode where I talk about bugs and insects.
That was a flawless push. All right, get out of here. Anyway, be sure to check out these other videos right here and subscribe right here. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah. Thanks again to Rachael Ray Nutrish for sponsoring this episode.